Alright, our next video here is going to deal with creating a lip around the bottom of this cap so that it'll fit snugly on top of the bottle. And to do that, we're going to use the revolve feature again. So if you click on revolve, and we're going to click on placement, we want to say define. And again, we want to use the front plane and top as a reference. The orientation should be top. So hit sketch. Now, the part we want to see is not visible right now. So we're going to click on the hidden line button, which is right here. And it turns into kind of a wire looking drawing. I'm going to scroll in a little bit to this area. Now, again, we need to have a reference to do what we're going to do next. So we're going to go up here to sketch, go to references, and we're going to click on this line right here as our reference. And we'll hit close. Now we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to start with the center of the circle right on this line that we made the reference, and we're going to make it about that big. It shouldn't touch the outside, or it shouldn't touch the top, so something about like that. Next, we need to trim this off to get the profile that we want, and this is the reason we had to create that reference. I'm going to hit the delete segment or the trim button here, and we'll click on the left side of the circle to delete it, and now we're left with kind of an arc shape here. Now to close this off and make it do what we want, I'm going to click on the line button. I'm going to draw a line from the top of this arc down to the bottom here, and then middle mouse click to complete that. Next, let me find it here. We're going to create a dimension. Go from the top of the circle to the bottom of the cap, and we're also going to change the radius of the arc here, the circle. So this is going to be 7, and the radius is going to be 1.5. So when we go here, we'll go to dimension. We'll zoom back out a little bit. And go from the top of this arc to the bottom of the cap, right to where this dotted line is right down here. Click on that, and then middle mouse click and type in 7. It was almost 7, but we want to make it 7. And then middle mouse wheel click to complete all that, or just click on the 1x1 tool and change this radius to 1.5 and press enter. And so that's the profile that we need. Now the last thing we need to do is to create a center line in the middle of this cap, so we know what we're going to revolve around. We're going to revolve around the center line. So I'm going to click on the arrow flyout here and create the center line. I'm going to click up. It doesn't really matter where, just as long as you have 2 points to make this a vertical center line. And again, we put this in so that we know that we're going to revolve around that center line there. Alright, everything else is complete, so we're going to hit the blue check mark for done. And you can see that because we have the wire frame still on, this revolve that we have here shows up as a yellow line, and looks like we got that. So I'm going to hit the green check mark and complete that, and I'm going to turn back on the solid shading, and we can look at the underside of our cap, and we see that little lip right there that will fit on top of the bottle and hold it in place. And so next thing we'll do on the next video is create the grippy part of the outside of the cap.